I can also. All right. So this is the Microsoft Excel. When you open an Excel page, that is its interface. That's how it looks like. It has got something to do like with tables, and within the rows, these are the rows. We're going in like this. This is what we call a row. Like you have seen what I've selected, and this is a column. This is a row, this is a column. So now, each row has got a name, and each column has got a name in Excel. So how do these rows made and columns? So as you see here, there are these boxes, but each box here has got a name in Excel. So the combination of a row and a column, they form a box within Excel. And that box has got its specific name. Where do we identify the name of that specific box? You see right here where there is A1. When I click here, it goes to G5. When I click here, it goes to L10. Why? You see here it is in the row of what? In the column of A. This is the column of B. So when I click here like this, this is the column of B, but in the row of 1, meaning that the intersection of a row and a column, they form what we call a cell reference. So a cell reference is the cell name of a given what? Of a given box in a Microsoft Excel. For example, when this column intersects with this row, they form this box called the B2. Are you getting some senses from this explanation?
Yes, teacher.
So when we go here, which box is this one?
D2.
This is the D2. Do not look at this one. You can name it after looking at this is in the column of F, then in the row of 7. So it becomes G7. In Excel, we do not have box. This is a box, but we have the name of this box. This box will be G7. So meaning that when I tell you that go to D8, meaning that we will go to the column of D and in the row of 8. So you will find out that D8 is this one. The intersection of a row and a column, they form a cell reference. And that cell reference is a specific cell within Excel. Are we together?
Yeah.
Yes. So what is special about Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel is part of computerized accounting used by different organizations and startup businesses. For they have automated formulas and functions that are used to calculate when dealing with accounts. So with Microsoft Excel, you can calculate different tasks. You can do logics, and different stuff to do with the accounts and calculations using the Microsoft Excel, as we shall be seeing. That's why it is called spreadsheet, then Excel. Now, when we go to these navigation links, we have home. The home, as you see all other Microsoft Office applications or package with Microsoft Office package, then PowerPoint, what everything has a home button. Is it home button like this? They have home, and within home, they are the same font, alignment. Maybe what is added within here is number and styles, then cells, then the editing is the same. So here they added cells, styles, and numbers. But I think even there, they have this thing. But in what these ones are different. So then within insert, everything remains somehow the same. The table are there, pictures. These ones remain the same. Apart from here, we have charts, line, and everything, which we shall be seeing. Then text boxes are the same. Header and the footer still the same. Then page layout, they are the same. Page layout, that's the same. Page layout is to do with how the page will look like, page formatting, orientation, and them stuffs. Then we go to formulas. Formulas, it is specifically within this application. So we shall look at AutoSum and all other logical functions, the lookup function, the mathematical and trigonometry, plus others. Then the data, within data, we shall also look at different things like data validations and all the stuffs. Then view and review still, they are, is it thesaurus? Those ones to deal with the grammars and everything. They are the same within other Microsoft Office applications. Then view, the same. Okay, file, still the same. Save as what, file protection, what, and everything. So today, when Mbavuga speed, when I'm too speed, they tell me to reduce the speed. Okay?
Okay.
The reason as to why we started with Word, PowerPoint, because the higher you go, the cooler it becomes, but the speed increases. So kakati, what are we going to do? I don't want us to waste a lot of time in any other thing. Within Excel, I'm going to show you something. You see, we have these tables. These tables are virtually there, but in actual sense, they are not there. For example, when I say save and I go to print preview, you will see no any table. When I go to print, where is print? Print is here. You can see there is nothing. We didn't find anything to print because these tables are virtually there, but not there. But when I select, for example, like this, then I come to what? Insert. I need to put tables. No. Okay, they are here. All borders. When I put like this, then I save. So let's try printing and see. Print. You can see that they are there. Meaning that zino table baziteekayo, but before you apply them, ziba teziriyo. Okitegedde? Zino bazikuteerawo, they put for you to see what you can do along with them. But when you don't apply to them, when you don't show that the borders and everything, meaning you are not going to find anything. Okay? So, like any other application like we did in Microsoft Word, one to write a statement, for example, heading, you will also merge. Whatever. This is merging, like Word and everything. So, Materako, the similarities. Okay. So, tugenda lero kutunulira at a simple things like some. So, nakati tugenda kutunulira ati. Today we are going to make at a little look at just simple thing. For example, we are going to make a student's marks or student's data. Students, let me write in capital letters. Students data. Students data 2023. Okay. So here we say maybe names. Then one will take marks. One marks. Then one will take names. We have Kathy. Kathy. Why Kathy? We have Kathy. We have Shina. We have Goretti. We have Becky. We have Medi. Who else gwe stadde o tanyigira? Ibrahim. We have Ibrahim. We have Brian. We have who? Mwedeyo. I'm also a student. We have me. Okay. So we are here. We have Max. Kathy got how many marks? 23.
82.
Si bya ddala. Mhm. Enga zino medal oyinza ozijjayo ze nkuwadde.
Yeah.
Nga lwaki?
So now guys, those are marks. Those are marks. So here, what do I need? Let me even put some, maybe I can add something here. Let me say insert. So I want to add a column, a row between names and Kathy. What will I do? I will come here. You see that arrow going like that? Then I right click. Then I say insert. I click below here because it goes up. Then insert. So maybe you can take one subject C. For example, this is MTC. Then SST. Then science. Maybe English. English I know. Banaye gwempe ntono tanyigira bino si bya ddala. Nange keyboard njinyiga bunyizi. Bwe kusanyukira n'ekuwa ennyingi.
Pardon, 34.
Ate Zaara bw'ati bw'abeeramu abanoonya visa ya US banyiga bunyizi. So guys, so today we are going to look at this. Now, the first thing we see, we want these students' data to be data 2023 to be up to this side. What shall we do? We select the whole stuff of this, then and we say merge and center. Merge and center. So you see, it has gone up to there. So these are the marks. I want the word marks to be okay. We can leave it there. No, this one can be subjects. We merge up to here. Then we say subjects. Because these are subjects. Subjects. Okay. My main point is we need to find the total. We need to find the total for each subject. Then here we find the total for each student. For each student. So, how do we find the total for each student? For example, Kathy, when we need to maybe to give grades, what and everything, meaning that we need to find how many marks. Do they say how many marks or how much marks? Okay, how many you got in all the 4 subjects? Not so. So when we add manually 82 plus 34 plus 56 plus 76, what do we get? Let's first add it manually. Calculator. Let me first open the calculator up. I want us to first add it manually. Then this is 82. 82 plus 34 plus 34 plus 56 plus 56 plus 76. See where chili? So total is 248. Huh? Kitegeeza bwe tunaakozesa formula, that is the total that we must get. Not so. Am I speaking to some people?
Yes.
Okay. So what is the formula? We say equal sign. Now, not this one. Whenever you are dealing with Excel, you should not forget this equal sign. When you put the equal sign, it is an indicator. It tells Microsoft Excel that this one is entering a formula or a function. But when you don't put an equal formula, the Excel will think that you are writing a heading. Okay? But the moment you put a formula, Excel will recognize it as, when you put an equal sign, Excel will recognize it as a formula. Okitegedde? Kibanga owulira essasi omanya nti olutalo lutandise oba waliwo embiranye. Ekiddako kukola ki? Kutandika. Okitegedde? Kati ne wano, when you put an equal sign, just know the Excel will know that you are going to put in a formula. So which formula do we use to find the total? We say equal sign sum. After writing sum, we say brackets. You open up the bracket, then we choose. We are going to count from where? We are going to count from Cathay's marks of mathematics, SST, science, and English. The first question is Kathy's marks for math. In which cell reference are they found?
B4.
B4. We don't write 82, but we say B4. So we say B4. Then we need to count up to what? Up to English. Not so?
Yeah.
So we shall put colons like this, double colons. Then we say to E, to E4. To E4, you see? Egenda kubala kuva wano. From here up to here, then we close the brackets. We hit enter. So let us see from the calculator, is it the marks that we got? So guys, it is the same, meaning that our formula is valid. Huh? Are the students following? Oh, I'm alone.
You're with wise students, they are following, sir.
Okay. Because they told me when a person keeps quiet, you who is talking, you are either talking nonsense or they are not understanding anything. Or they are being emotional.
We are soon getting emotional.
Formula yinza babesa eyotola emotion. Nga muli mu birowoozaako. Okay, guys.
So one thing, can you make this total to get nearer to column E?
Yeah, sure. Like I can cut this, cut, paste. I can cut this, cut, I paste. No problem. Was that your question? And that was the answer?
Isn't there any other formula apart from that?
This is the formula for total, how to find a total.
No, like to change the column from one column to another. Isn't there any other formula?
To change from one column to another?
Yeah.
I'm not getting what you mean.
All right, let's go.
No, we cannot just go. First clarify the question. Zoom wegwako rejoin again.
Like,
Okay.
can't you shift a column like it has been in column G, you shift it to column F without copying and pasting?
I shift from this one